Wow, looks so yummy. This is called Vade in South Indian, and Maharashtra it is called Dhappate. And what you call in your region, please let me know in the comment box. This fluffy and very tasty recipe I am going to share with you guys. Let's see. Come on. Come to my channel. Welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Come on, let's see the recipe. So come on, let's start to make a dough. Here I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour and 3 tablespoons of besan, 1 tablespoon, second one and third one. 3 tablespoons I have taken besan here. I am adding rice flour 2 tablespoons. Please try this recipe guys. This is going to be yummiest. And 1 tablespoon of jowar flour. Now I am adding 2 green chili, 2 garlic, big garlic and half inch ginger and coriander. Make a paste and add it in this mixture. Now here I have taken cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, two tablespoons of sesame seeds and 1 tablespoon of carom seeds. Crush on your palm and put in this mixture. Now let's add pinch of sugar. Little bit sugar I am going to add it. You see here I have used pinch of sugar here and kept side remaining. Added salt. If you have, add kasuri methi also. Now I am adding red chili powder and turmeric powder here. 1 tablespoon turmeric I have added and 1 tablespoon of oil. Just normal oil I have taken here, not heated oil. Just mix it properly and make a dough. Make a dough now. Like normal chapati dough we are going to make it now. And here I have taken normal water to make a dough. This masala puri I like to eat with my tea. This is very tasty masala puri. I am going to tell you guys, and I love it with my tea. The dough is ready. Just tap little oil on it and put aside for 15 minutes you can put it. And after 15 minutes dough is all set now. Again we are going to mix it very properly like this before making masala puris. Just mix it very well. Now again I don't have butter paper here. I am using plastic cover. Just take a small roll of dough. Make a puris with the help of oil. We are making puris. Take a roll, put on a cover, plastic cover and tap like this shown in the video. And the puris are ready here. Like this I am going to make all the puris here and keep aside, and at once I am going to fry it. And this is how puris are going to fry. These fluffy tuffy puris are ready. I am going to keep aside now. Just tap any remaining water in it and kept aside like this. These are my all puris, looking yummy, tasty, very crispy, nice. Just have with your tea or some chutney or some sauce. You can try for sure guys. I know you will like this recipe for sure. Now I will enjoy this puri with my tea. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching it. Thank you.